Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and yeah, so you have read the title. It is about Gear 5, so spoiler alert for those of you who are not up to date regarding the One Piece manga. Click off the video now unless you want to get spoiled. So this showcase is about the Gear 5 of Luffy, and we barely have any information about it, therefore I have only made the appearance right now so that you're able to transform into Gear 5, but well, I have not made any moves yet because we barely have any insights regarding the moves. But when we receive more information regarding the moves, then I'll also drop another episode on this one, okay? So do not worry about it. And yeah, so comment your opinion about it, and I hope that you like it. See you in tomorrow's tutorial. Okay.